What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Just imagine it for a second. Our planet comes to a complete, screeching halt in an instant. Everything that was moving with its rotation at over 1,000 miles per hour would keep flying forward. The destruction that would follow would be almost unimaginable. On the surface, every single thing, people, cars, trees, and mountains, would be violently flung eastward at terrifying speeds. A colossal shockwave would tear across the planet in a single, devastating moment. Skyscrapers would crumble like paper, bridges would snap in half, and entire cities would be flattened instantly. The oceans would go completely insane. Massive tsunamis, taller than skyscrapers, would surge across continents, swallowing everything in their path, and wiping out entire coastlines under walls of water miles high. But that's just the beginning. The atmosphere, which is also spinning with the Earth at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator, wouldn't stop. Suddenly, the air itself would become a weapon. Supersonic winds, screaming across the planet at thousands of miles per hour, would scour the surface like a cosmic sandblaster. Anything that somehow survived the first jolt would be ripped away, turned into deadly flying debris. Trees, vehicles, and wreckage would become lethal projectiles tearing through the air. For any living creature, survival would be almost impossible. Even gravity would feel different. Earth's rotation creates a slight centrifugal force that makes us a tiny bit lighter, especially near the equator. The moment the planet stops, that force vanishes. People standing near the equator would suddenly feel noticeably heavier. While the overall change in gravity wouldn't crush us, it would add to the sheer terror of that first apocalyptic moment. And there's the long-term nightmare. Our gentle 24-hour cycle of day and night would disappear forever. One side of the Earth would face the sun for 6 straight months of blistering, unrelenting heat, turning vast regions into scorched deserts. The opposite side would be trapped in 6 months of freezing darkness, buried under ice and unimaginable cold. These extreme temperature swings would make most of the planet completely uninhabitable. Finally, Earth's protective magnetic field, generated by its spinning molten core, could weaken or even collapse entirely. Without this invisible shield, deadly solar radiation and cosmic rays would bombard the surface, slowly stripping away our atmosphere and exposing whatever life remained to lethal levels of radiation. In the end, a suddenly still Earth wouldn't just stop turning, it would become a broken, unrecognizable wasteland. A terrifying reminder of how perfectly balanced our spinning planet is, and just how fragile all life on it truly remains.